about Mission Mars. Also, we will talk about new missions, discoveries, Mars and its robots. Look ahead to 2022. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. After the successful launch of 3 new Mars missions in the summer of 2020, Mars exploration was looking to have a groundbreaking year in 2021. Astonishingly, all 3 missions, NASA's Mars 2020, China's Tianwen-1, and the United Arab Emirates Hope Orbiter successfully arrived at Mars in February and have already sent back amazing data and images of the red planet. Furthermore, missions like NASA's Curiosity rover and InSight lander celebrated various milestones on Mars this year and sent back amazing results and findings that helped further our knowledge of Mars' past and future. While new missions were landing on the surface of Mars, missions in orbit, such as NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter (MRO) and ESA's Mars Express, continue to relay data to Earth and send back amazing images and science of their own. This year, 2022, like 2021, is already shaping up to be an amazing year on Mars, with new missions such as ExoMars 2022, with the Rosalind Franklin rover launching to the Red Planet, as well as new experiments planned to be performed by the collection of robots exploring the Martian wasteland. Perseverance and Ingenuity. After a launch from Florida on July 30, 2020, NASA's Mars 2020 mission consisting of the Perseverance rover and Ingenuity helicopter successfully landed in Jezero crater on February 18, 2021 at 20:55 UTC. The mission landed on Mars via a sky crane that was nearly identical to the one used for Curiosity's landing in 2012, and the mission's landing location was named Octavia E. Butler Landing. During entry, descent, and landing, Perseverance successfully captured stunning video of the entire EDL phase of the mission. The rover was also expected to collect sound via microphones attached to Perseverance, but the microphones ultimately failed during EDL. Although this isn't the first time we've seen video of EDL from a spacecraft, Curiosity successfully captured video of its landing. Perseverance's landing footage is the first to be in high definition and captured from different angles. After rover teams performed checkout on the rover and its variety of instruments and electrical systems, Perseverance successfully took its first drive on Mars on March 4, 2021. Driving 6.5 meters across the Martian surface, the drive lasted 33 minutes. Additionally, in the weeks landing up to Perseverance's first drive, many of its scientific instruments were deployed and calibrated for use. After continuing vehicle collaborations and setup through March, early April was set to be the beginning of the Ingenuity helicopter's flight test campaign. Ingenuity was successfully deployed from underneath Perseverance on April 3, 2021, and successfully survived its first night in the harsh Martian landscape that night. Following a few issues and tests with the helicopter's rotor blades, Ingenuity successfully flew on Mars for the first time on April 19, 2021. Becoming the first aircraft to ever make a powered, controlled flight on another planet. The flight lasted 39.1 seconds as the helicopter hovered 3 meters above the Martian surface. 3 days later, Ingenuity successfully performed its second flight on Mars in an effort to perform 5 flights within its testing window. Ingenuity completed its third flight on April 25, fourth on April 30, and fifth on May 7, 2021. On May 23, 2021, Ingenuity successfully performed its first flight under its operations demonstration phase with its 6th overall flight. Under the operations demonstration phase, Ingenuity would assist Perseverance with scientific observations by providing aerial imagery of potential areas of interest in Jezero crater. Additionally, the flights within the operation demonstration phase would push Ingenuity to its limit and see the helicopter fly higher and farther than it had previously. Ingenuity continues to fly regularly on Mars, averaging 1 flight about every 2 weeks. The helicopter was originally expected to only be able to complete 5 flights on Mars, but has since completed an incredible 18 flights, 13 more than originally expected. Ingenuity continues to operate and is in good condition to continue performing flights in 2022. Tianwen-1. Alongside Mars 2020, China sent its first mission to Mars last year, successfully arriving and performing an orbital insertion burn around the planet in early 2021. China's Tianwen-1 launched atop a Long March 5 rocket on July 23, 2020, from the Wenchang spacecraft launch site in China. After a 7-month coast through space, Tianwen-1 successfully inserted itself into a stable Martian orbit on February 10, 2021. Emirates Mars Mission. The final new spacecraft to arrive at Mars in 2021 is the United Arab Emirates Al-Amal, translated to Hope in English, orbiter. Al-Amal is part of the UAE's Emirates Mars mission and, like Tianwen-1, successfully launched in 2020 and arrived at Mars in early 2021. Al-Amal successfully launched atop a Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency (JAXA) HIIA rocket on July 19, 2020, from the Tanegashima Space Center in Tanegashima, Japan. The orbiter successfully performed its orbital insertion burn at Mars on February 9, 2021 at 15:30 UTC after coasting through space for nearly 7 months. Curiosity. Curiosity continued exploring new areas and climbing hills on Mars in 2021 and celebrated its 9th year on the Red Planet on August 6, 2021. Additionally, the rover celebrated its 3,000th sol on Mars on January 12. Launching in November 2011, Curiosity successfully landed via a sky crane in Gale Crater on Mars in August 2012. Curiosity began science operations soon after and has been exploring various outcrops and areas of interest in Gale Crater ever since. Furthermore, since 2014, Curiosity has been climbing the slopes of Ales Mons, Mount Sharp, a massive 5.5-kilometer mountain in the center of Gale Crater. InSight. When 2021 started, InSight and Curiosity were the only actively operating spacecraft on the surface of Mars. However, that has since changed. But just because new visitors have arrived doesn't mean the work stops. InSight launched in May 2018 from California and successfully landed in the Elysium Planitia region of Mars on November 26, 2018. InSight's primary goal is to research the inner workings of Mars and better understand seismic activity on the Martian surface. InSight's 2021 kicked off with a bang, with it and NASA's Juno spacecraft each being rewarded mission extensions at their respective planets. Additionally, InSight's MOLE instrument, after suffering issues with being buried into the Martian surface, officially ended in January, and InSight stopped attempting to bury the instrument. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching and have a good day.